are about to get to our campsite for the night, and this road is bumpy, stuff is falling back there. I'm very excited for this spot. So we just got to our spot for the night. It is this campsite, just in the middle of a beautiful spot. And there's this really big like fire pile here, but it looks like it's got a bunch of metal in it, so we're gonna not. But the van is a mess right now, and Leah is on a phone call, so I need to clean this up. Leah just got back and she is enjoying some ice cream.
Thing that sucks but is also very good about van life and eating ice cream is that we don't have a freezer. So I have to eat this whole thing.
Poor you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Still waking up.
Yeah.
We're still on a morning walk down this like trail road that's by where we camped last night, and it just keeps going forever. And now we're just gonna head back and have some breakfast.
It actually does have a stopping spot.
So we drove over, where is it? All these nails, because all these people throw their garbage right here for no reason. And hopefully that didn't hurt us. Leah and I just got to our spot for the night. It is so beautiful. There's nobody else here. It's just in the woods, and there's fish. It's not focusing, but it's super pretty out there. You can see the mountains. Leah is gonna make a fire. I just made us dinner, and we're just hanging out. Let me help you. Leah tried to teach me how to make fire with flint, and I tried really hard, but I didn't get there. We both kind of got there, but then we gave up and we just made a regular fire. This is our spot for tonight. It's another boat ramp because you know Leah and I love the boat ramps. It's super pretty. It's on this like massive river, and fish, he's over there, backed up by all the trees. Perfect. Leah is making us a bomb breakfast. I'm so excited to eat. And this is our view. We met this lady named Paula last night. She knocked on our van, and she came in and she just gave us a heads up that like the cops will knock on our van if we don't like pull forward a bit or something. It was so sweet. And so this morning we're heading out. We went over to her van and to talk for a bit, and she's got these two cute dogs. One of them has wobbler syndrome, that's like Down syndrome for dogs, and he just wobbles everywhere. It's precious. And she gave us some canned food. She's like, you guys need some canned food. Oh, something fell. And it was really sweet. She was really sweet. Gave us canned food. Now we're leaving. She was so nice.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we go back into Georgia and do some insane hikes.